How long you must smile?
Lekker. Okay, smear them nicely on. Hier gaat het lekker. Not too much. I think you need to leave it now like this. Let it dry. It's our first layers. Remember, always we got the first layers. Then they need to go out to dry, and then we come in with the. Okay. Because now it's getting pink. You see. So we're just gonna leave it now like this. You can go and wash your hands and carry this beautifully into the grass. I don't know how you're going to do it. Die dame, julle baie min water, so ek sal badkamer toe gaan as jy. Kijk, your first one, you're going to leave it now. It's going to dry. Dis reg. Nou gaan jy net nou kom 'n bietjie droog word. Nou moet hy droog word. Nou moet jy uitfigure hoe om hy uit te kom. Mooi Daphne, beautiful. Kyk nou, sy het nou haar vingers hier vir. Dis fantasties. Ek is net julle hierdie mense. Sit chairs met baie ver weg. Awesome. Jy sien, jy doen dit nou. You going with the flow. Fantasties. By die vrouwtjies sal ek nou net vir Brammy spats. Ja, dis great. Ek sal nou net 'n bietjie. Okay. Net so. Jou dames net so 'n bietjie dikker. Kyk, hy gaan dit af tot onder. Maar dit gaan ons net nou alles reg fix. Daar's die skouertjies is bietjie af. Kyk nou daar. Kyk nou onmiddellik is daar beweging. Oh man. Jou girls is pragtig. Daar kom die skouer. Hulle is by hulle gala aan. Alles is.
Brenze Tsotsi.
Kyk, onthou die skouers is bietjie af vir. Elke color. So jy gaan nou eers laat dit droog word en dan gaan ons net nou weer aankom met aan se colors aangaan. Maar kyk nou hier, dit is beautiful. So jy het ingekom met jou vingers. Rassy. Ag, maar kyk net hier, man, dit is absolutely gorgeous. Jou painting is amper klaar. Ek vat nou haar color hier net sodat ons kan kleur kan kry hier. Joey,
die gras is pakbaar. So hulle tafels iewers op 'n dek.
Okay.
Hulle sê jy kan gaan sit, maar nou vra ek gaan nie ver vir hulle tafels mos.
Jy moet maar net om so sit laat hy nie mos. Okay. Ek probeer nou net.
Kyk nou net, die meesterstuk, vang hom op hom.
Moet nou nie laat afloop nie, dat jou vrouens nou hier die pad duister raak. Moet nie laat jou vrouens kyk, ek gaan nou net dus ander color, ek wil net hier 'n bietjie aan die gang kom.
Dit sal akazi. Kom.
Ek kom, I'm coming. Julle speel lekker tot ek daar is. Kyk nou. Ooh man. Kyk nou, ek gaan nou. Hulle staan shoulder to shoulder. Assy, ek gaan niks verder maak nie, want onthou assy. Sy altyd 'n roep 'n bietjie daarop. En nou net ons koppe so lank. That's it. Assy. Nee, dis beautiful.
Ja, okay.
So kom my spatsels. Kyk nou. Assy. This attitude. Now you can take that out. Yes. Hier's ons nou. Where are we? Okay, right. Okay, so you standing there. This is it. I want some on that black, please. Yes. Is this yours?
Yes.
I just want some black. This one, just leave it a little bit like that. Oh, that is gorgeous. So you see, you're going to have your three little heads.
I've got 5.
Oh, 5 heads.
Otherwise, I will be mad. I will be dead if I came with 3.
Okay, you.
I've got 5.
Okay, so you just make the heads.
Uh-huh.
There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Shorter one. That's it. And now you're just gonna do the people. You see, letterlijk, it's like a carrot. You just do the carrot with your finger there. Okay, so we are here. Your black ones, I'm gonna take. Sit hom net so dat ek kan sien. Okay, so this is your head. This is another one.
My face is not the same. It's yours.
That's it. I'm just doing the hint thing. You do the rest. Sien jy, nou kom jy net af. You just scrape it here with your palette knife or that other little thing. There's your woman, the shoulder. Remember there's a neck, so you need to go down. That's, you don't even see the neck. Just look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? But I want you to do the stenciling because this is now very one color. So there where you see white and here you go with, like I did that stencil and you put some same stencils in.
Where's my 5 kids?
That's beautiful. Okay, so this is yours, and now you're going to do some stenciling. And then, yeah, just here and there, and then the flower, there's nice yellow, so you can press it in the yellow. And you press it, let's say here she's holding it or whatever, you can now play. Okay. This we go. That's fine. See, it looks like a carrot. I call them carrot people. Carrot. Look how beautiful. So you just like cake decorating. You just smear the black on. Yeah. Whoopsie.
That's an arm.
Huh?
That's some flowers in the hand.
Exactly. That's what I say. So there we have this. So now we're just gonna let this dry. Look there. You see? This is what I'm getting at. So now you can really also, if you want to do, there's flower stencils and things, or you can take your finger and do, or you can just because later we're going to do different colors. This is just the base. But otherwise it's going to become very wet. So it must first dry, then you're going to come with a palette knife with different colors on this. Right.
Cool. You speak Afrikaans?
It's really not a problem if it's not perfect. This is really just pretty. Then we can as. Wie gaat ons aan?
So all 5 children are there? Yes.
Look at
Because I was going to answer to my kids to say why 3.
When do you think? That's a naughty one, that's a good one.
Exactly. Kyk nou daar. So you just tip with this thing, man. Look at the beautiful flowers. We go in.
That's the one impossible thing in life, is to tell your kids they're all loved. They're not better.
You see now you add. And now gaan jy die groen vat and you tip the leaves. Hou 'n bietjie op. Is it? Look there, leave it. It's great when it's like that. We don't want to.
Pizza.
I'm coming.
Ja. Goed. Daar's my liniaal. Wat ek nog niks op die kant het.
Ek gaan net gou. Ag, ek love it.
Ja, ek het sommer net daai ja.
Beautiful. Ek maak sommer net gou jou stappe. So hierdie is letterlik ek wil palette knife hê en my ander ja, enetjie is lekker. Ek wil net gou jou die kop maak. Hier is
Voor, daar.
daai ene is daar. En dan gaan jy die skouers en daar's 'n nek en dan skouers en dan letterlik jy gaan ook jou swart kry en rooi kry. Net nou.
Ek hou van dat jy weet.
Nee, ons hou van dik. So jy gaan dik van sommer daar. En gooi dik op en dan trek jy dit net. Maar kom ek kry eers al hierdie ander kleure af.
Swart en hierdie kleur.
Sien jy, ek het nou al hierdie robbe kleure afgetrap. Okay. So nou kyk nou al daar, sien jy, it's coming. So jy gooi nou letterlik.
Blou ook.
Ja. So jy kan sien, jy kan nou letterlik net my goedjies op. Ja, so die liggies daar. Dan jy nou kyk hoe mooi lyk hy so. Right, en dan gaan jy later sy kop ook 'n bietjie swarter maak. Daai is ons okay. Hierdie ding is weg. Dis af. Okay, ons moet net die vloere kyk mense, the floors. There's a sponsiekie mama. Okay. You're not done. Okay, let's just get it into the thing. So you want your so jy gaan nou begin met jou yellow. Jy gaan begin met jou wit in die middel en jy vat hom net so. Ons gaan net oor die colors reg kry. Dan kom jy nou met jou yellow. Ja. En dan gaan jy om die son. Dan gaan jy smeer jy net die yellow. Net nou kan ons as hy draai is kan ons weer. En dan doen jy nou jou orange. Maar kyk hoe liggies smeer ek, verstaan jy? Very liggies. En dan is dit hierso is jou mens wat sit.
8 mense se gaan miskien.
Okay, great. So
8 kindertjies.
Great. So dan gaan jy eerste wat jy letterlik gaan doen is met swart gaan jy 8 koppietjies maak en dan net so sit hulle. Sien jy wat ek sê? Daar sit hulle. Hier is die. Nou gaan ons tip hierso vir die. So jy gaan nou hierso 8 gaan jy met swart vat en jy gaan 8 koppietjies maak met die lyfies. Met jou
So
vinger.
hieronder wat doen ek? Wat het
Dit gaan ons later nog swart en goeders opsit. Kyk daar. Om waar hulle op sit.
En die
Verstaan
blou
jy?
ook hier so.
Yes, maar dit gaan ons later opsit.
Okay.
Ja, dis nou te bruin. So ons gaan nou letterlik net die mensies opsit
Ja, dis het.
met die swart en dan kom ons weer. Right, where's your little picture? Oh, beautiful. Oh, you've got that tree one. Fantastic. I'm going to take this one. Can you get me black, please? I'm just going to go with the black in there. So jy maak hom net die mense nou en dan gaan ons sand en alles daaronder gooi en hom lekker dik maak. Sy kan nou lekker hier so aan. Just bring the black. There's Elaine, Prof Elaine's got black. Ek moet eintlik die ander ook oopmaak, Harry, wat onderin is. So onderin is daar ook. Kyk eens, dat is allemaal was dat. Dis sy. So jy maak die koppies en dan gaan jy die skouertjies maak en dan weet ons waar hulle is. Great. So this is now just the tree that we're gonna sien jy, dan net so wild, dan gaan later die tree maak. Alles is nou te nat. Dan is ons net hier. Alles is nou te nat, so ek kan nou eintlik niks doen. En dan is dit so, hier is die roemer. Hy gaan hom buite gaan sit, hoor, hy is te nat. Hy gaan hom eers droog, voordat ons hier kan. Can you see, it just goes, it's too wet, so it must, but you've got the idea. Yes. So then when it's dry, we're going to do a stencil and everything there. This one, just don't put it out. And then please come in. Great, prachtig. Okay, now it's just a little... Sien jy, dis net die ou lyf. Daar sommer my 3 vingers, al die skouertjie klaar. En dit sit mos nou langs mekaar. Dit is nou nie so apart sit nie. As ek, kyk hoe mooi lyk dit. Kan jy vir my gou die die sand. Bring vir my die sand. Daar's 'n stilletjie sand.
Dis is die sand.
Right, this is our sand. Just to get them nice and thick. En dan sit ons nou op iets. En dan gaan ons nou net, hoe gaan jy flowers en alles hier so sit.
Ja, en my stencil.
Jou stencil en alles, maar is te nat nou.
Ja.
Dus ons...
Dit my oranje los as dit is daar.
Ja, los hom nou eers so. Hy moet eers baie droër word. So moet nou sommer die sand hier ingooi, laat hy gou goed droër.
So as ek klaar is, moet ek dan iets anders doen.
Yes, nee, jy kan nou iets anders doen. Hy moet net buite toe gaan. En kyk daar, daar's grasse. You leave it. Oh, dit is alles texture, alles goeder. You leave it and then when you Ta-da! There goes our flowers. We're not gonna worry today.
Going wild.
Wild today, we're going for it.
Ons speel net, maar nie sê nie vir ons nie.
Exactly. Like a child, you're just playing. Mommy's not saying
That's
no.
why this notice what they are saying. I said, she wants it coming.
Exactly. Okay, so you're going to leave this dry outside? Yes. Then we come again.
Okay,
great.
Mommy?
It's beautiful. Okay, so now you're just going to take... You see why, you know, you see where there's blue or something. You just add your blue with this palette knife thing. Dan die ander geel gaat. You see, that's why we just needed. This is a stupid palette knife. That is not working for me. So you see your greens and your blues. Look, you just scrape it. There's beautiful orange. Can you see? You just tip it on and then you just loosely scrape it over. Yes. And then we have then there also. This is not really one for the other. And later with the clearer back. Remember, we always have the first layer. And then this one. On the dresses, you got the same. You can now play with your dresses and you can apply and make marks. Look at it, beautiful. You can mark this mark, you can take your flowers later and you can just press this, but now you're just making marks. And that was what that one is about. Look at it, you can even do little circles. That's what I actually wanted to say, I forgot. So with the side of this, you can make circles, you can make stripes, whatever you want. But look how beautiful the circles. Oh, dis mooi, dis baie mooi. Ek gaan net gou vir my hande it in. Okay, Gosens lopen. This is beautiful prachtig. Kom ons kyk. Hier ons kyk, alles hierdie is net.
So for now, can I take it outside?
Yes, yes. You take it outside. Daar's our skouer. En dan op zoek lekker rooi nog. Ek soek gou vir rooi. Nou gaan jy net lekker met hierdie rooi hier op. Ja. Dit mooi is dit, die lyn is letterlik net swart strepe wat die gesig, wat die wystes mense. But look how beautiful the palette knife. It's just add some.
Let's try and show.
I'm just making it to the edges. Dis niks nie. Ons worry niks want hy gaan
Sy ene.
Nee, wat? Nee, ons gaan nou. Sorry. Dan net sit ons net die swart by. Hy gaan op buite toe. Beautiful. I love this. This is gorgeous. I like it.